I don't know if this is going to work. I can play the guitar. Ow. Hey Reed, I'm making a video. Yeah, it sucks. I don't know what I'm doing, and my phone just went off, and it's still going off. Yeah, I'm bored. I don't know what I'm doing. No, I don't. No, I don't. I'm so angry and sad. But now I'm happy. Oh crap. And I'm happy. Yeah. Are you plugging your ears? Okay.
I'm holding my hair on my face.
Oh. I'm so good at this. I don't know what I'm doing, but that's okay. Yeah. I just kind of hurt my fingers now. Ooh, 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 I don't know what I'm doing. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm so good at this. No. I'll do this.
Kenzie, you know there's a string missing.
There's a string missing?
Yeah, there's only 5 strings on it. It's a 6 string.
Oh my god. Is that it right there?
Yeah, the first string.
The first string is missing, but that's okay, because I can do this.
I'm getting them replaced Tuesday.
Oh, she getting it replaced Tuesday. Yeah, Emery's getting it replaced Tuesday.
All new strings.
All new strings Tuesday. It's gonna be good because she can actually do this, I think, and I can't. Because I've never played a guitar before. Okay. I'm done. How do you shut it off though? Okay, bye.